Well, once again, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq finished the session at new all-time highs, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average, well, it's right on the doorstep. It was held back today by those big money center banks, Goldman Sachs and J.P. Morgan, and oil producers, Exxon and Chevron. Now, they were weighed down by a massive hit to the downside in crude oil. Now, there were several messages to the market today, including one that continues to belie the notion that there's irrational exuberance. The widows and orphan stocks, we're talking about utilities, were higher again. In fact, this month they have surged to multi-year highs. Now, the move indicates a certain level of anxiety that, by the way, is also matched to a certain extent by the tepid volume that has accompanied this rally. Now, the big winners today were those brick-and-mortar retailers, including Best Buy, which is up 21% today alone. They had a huge earnings beat, driven by success in video games. You had a lot of other big retail winners today, too. Philip Van Heusen up 5%. Ulta Salon, I think, is up 200 points since I told you about it a couple years ago. Netflix continues to rock up 3%. And these are names that, well, I haven't figured out if they're exhibiting just signs of life or they're really going to come back. Sears was up 14%, Guess up 14%. And then after the close, Costco popped. It gave us an update on its comparable sales in stores. And Deckers, you know them, the maker of Uggs, up 13%. They gave very strong guidance. For now, it's clear that people are picking up their spending at restaurants and even brick-and-mortar stores. And I think this will probably create a lot of takeover in both industries. I have three names at the top of the list that are potential takeover targets. Also, I'm going to tell you where the major indices go from here as they clear all-time highs. These are what I call true breakouts. So go to my website, wstreet.com. By the way, on Monday, I gave you this stock. You can see where it is in the aftermarket. I told you there would be a short squeeze. We're going to make a whole lot of money in the morning. Thank me on Twitter.